How
I've
nice.
got a cat, so naturally I put in
Yep.
a child. That's their litter box right there.
For the cat, you bet. Gotta have that for the cat.
It's perfect right there. This is my fridge freezer.
Oh, for sure. Wow, that's nice. That's nice and big. Look at that. Well, if I run out of food, I know who I'm gonna come and find.
You know, and I got this is where the Blue Eddy all-in-one power source is right there.
Okay.
And my microwave, my TV.
Do you like having that compared to having a battery bank? Just using the
It's
one.
a lot simpler and cheaper. Result right there. I just run a line to it to a fuse box to run all my wiring, and then the AC is just. This is my shore power, and I can either. And this goes to all of my plugs from that one spot.
From the one there.
It's fed into one like this, but it's right here. It's got the circuit breaker on it.
Okay.
So if anything shuts off, I just reach under here and flip the switch. You can turn it back on when when you overpower something. It's real simple.
That's really nice.
But when I'm hook up the shore power, I can unplug it from there and plug it into there.
That's super
I've got
nice.
a composting toilet right here.
Oh, and then it just slides right underneath the cabinet, hidden
Yeah.
away. Oh, the
50.
cat's gonna get in there and go play back there.
Things out.
What a pretty cat.
I got a 21 gallon water tank under the one bed over there.
So you have 21 gallons with you
Water.
pretty much all the time. That's as big as your tank is.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's over there. It fits from here forward.
Very
Little
nice.
gap over there for the LP tank, and then I've got an area right here for more storage.
Wonderful. Well, thank you very much for showing your van with us. Do you have a YouTube channel or anything you'd like to share
No.
with anybody?
I just follow this group here on Facebook, Florida Van Gatherings.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.